Hi everyone, long time no see. Yes, I know. So today I'm going to do a very quick fix kind of a makeup that I generally do. This is like only concealer and little bit of hiding of your imperfections here and there, and going to look really nice. Okay, with that motto, let's begin our makeup. So I have completely moisturized my face and there's nothing on my face apart from that moisturizer. So let's start. So I'm going to use two of my concealers. So one you should choose which would match your skin tone exactly, and another one to highlight. Okay, so I've got two of them from NYX. The first one I'm going to use is a shade which is going to match with my skin tone completely. Okay, so that it's going to blend very easily. It's like an eraser. This part, and I'm going to use my fingers because it's very easy to blend. Let's use the ring finger so that we put very less amount of pressure. So this is how it looks. It's already looking good, but if you are going to somewhere where you need to brighten up some parts of your face, then you can certainly use a lighter colored concealer like the one that I'm going to use right now. The same brand NYX, I'm going to use a lighter color, comparatively lighter color, so that I can highlight some parts of my faces like the high points, okay? Only on the high parts of my face, like I said. Like where are imperfections, there is nothing, right? Okay, we need some bit of color. So for that I need some blush, but I don't have a particular blush, but I've got this one. You know that I love Peri Pera Ink Velvet ones, and this is number 20, which is my favorite. So I'm going to use that on my cheeks as a cheek tint. It blends beautifully. This is a very beautiful formula. I think I've used a little too much. Done. For the eyes, I'm going to use my favorite pencil by Faces Canada, which you people know that how much I love that. I'm just going to outline like this. So after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to smudge this with the help of a brush like this. I hope you can see this. But I'm going to take one of the colors from my Huda Beauty Nude Reach palette. So I'm going to take the darkest color, which is a brown color, and I'm going to take it like this. It's going to ensure that the color lasts, and it's locked now, so there is no tension of getting it smudged. So that's the idea. Okay, and we can certainly make a bit of wing also. So I'm back after doing both the eyes, but I have something still going on in my mind. So I've got a very beautiful palette long ago, but I haven't really done justice to this. I'm losing the daylight, so I have switched on another artificial light. I hope this looks nice. So I was talking about the palette from Grwm that I bought long ago, but I thought that this is winter now, so let me just use one of the colors. These are all frosty colors, so I'm going to take this one, okay? So I have to be really careful. I'm going to take it to my inner corners. I'm going to use my hands, my fingers only. This is what I have done. Now next I've got a new mascara, okay? It's the Panorama one by L'Oreal Paris. So I have come back after doing 2 coats of the L'Oreal Paris Panorama mascara, but I still feel Lash Paradise works like a magic on me, but not this one. I'm not super satisfied with this one, okay? So let me just show you how the bristles look like. It has, hope you are able to see what beautiful lashes have been made out of these. So that's one. Next, I'm going to do my lips because that's the only thing which is remaining. For that, I'm going to talk to you about a very beautiful lip oil I am obsessing over ever since I bought it. It's by Etude House and it's actually a lip oil. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So here is my final finished look. Very quick and easy, but I really like the outcome, the result. I think this looks nice. You can definitely switch the kind of lips according to your preference, but I really like this during winter. I won't say this is a very long-lasting formula, but then I really like it because of the color. Okay, the shade of that lip oil was Plum Berry. It's one of their deepest colors. What you can rather do instead of directly applying the lip oil is that you can put a color underneath, and on top of it, or the same color family maybe, you can use this. So that way it's going to work as a very beautiful lip oil or a lip gloss, and it's going to enhance your looks. So that's all, guys. So I hope that you all like this video. So if you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much.